Welcome back, my beautiful people. Welcome to day 5. I hope you guys enjoyed day 4, which was Adriana's birthday celebration and the whole luau experience. Now, today, we are going to start and wrap it up with day 5, which we have our dinner cruise. I hope you guys enjoy. So on this day, on day 5, it actually landed on Friday the 13th. Crazy, right? But like always, starting my morning walk, this time Anthony decided to join me, as you guys can see here. Nothing really exciting or new happened that day, so I was really thankful that a lot of things happened the previous day. So we went back to the room after our morning walk, and we got the girls ready. As you guys can see here, this is their morning outfit, okay? And we decided to just start walking to the IHOP. It was literally not too far away. Once we get to IHOP, as you guys can see there, it seems like everybody's going to IHOP, right? It was actually like an hour wait. So we said, no, that's not happening, with the girls, and the girls are hungry. So then Anthony decided to go Google a place with the best breakfast around us. And it took us to, it wasn't very far, so we decided to keep walking, as you guys can see here, and it really took us to this food truck place. And after seeing all the food trucks, we decided to go to this one. I really don't remember the name, but it was okay. The girls were okay about it too. It was too sweet. I guess everything that they added there to the pancakes, it was very, very sweet, but overall it was a good breakfast. After breakfast, we headed back to the hotel, and I wanted to go ahead and look for a laundromat because I didn't want the dirty clothes to start piling up, right? Because the girls have been using almost 3 outfits a day, it was getting a little bit too much, so I didn't want it to get overflown. So I said, let's go ahead and look for a laundromat, which we did. And as you guys can see here, we didn't know exactly where was it going to be, so we decided to drive there. So when we get there, we really seen that it wasn't that far away either. It was like where the IHOP was, like maybe the block following it, right? Like it was not that far. We went there, and the good part about this laundromat is that they do your laundry for you. Of course, it's a choice. You could choose to do your own laundry. But they do it for you, and then they call you when it's ready, and then you just pick it up. They fold it, they ask if you want your clothes scented or not scented. It was overall a very good experience on the laundromat, so proud to that one, right? We decided to take the girls to Target because we needed a few little items. As you guys can see here, we didn't really know that Target was connected to like an outdoor mall, so it was a little bit kind of confusing to get to the Target. Once we get to Target, we bought the little items that we needed. Anthony bought him some little bracelets, you guys can see here, as a little souvenir from his behalf. After the Target, we decided to head back to the hotel room, and I said, hey, why don't we just go walking to pick up the clothes? It's very close, and instead of waiting for the truck, we could just walk. So me and Anthony decided to go ahead and walk to pick up the clothes. And as you guys can see here, for some reason, it was more heavier now that it was folded and nice and neat than when we actually took it, okay? Once we got back to the hotel, Anthony was really tired. They were a little heavy, as you guys can see here. You really crying about it?
Huh?
Are you really crying about it?
No.
But we wrapped it up, and we got the girls ready to go to our dinner cruise. Now, for our dinner cruise, I am just going to let you guys enjoy the whole dinner experience, and I will see you guys back once it's over.
You have arrived.
Are you excited?
Yes, the only part I don't like is I'm getting more burnt.
No, you're gonna be inside.
No, right now.
Oh.
I've been on a trip in Ghana before.
What does this say?
Let's hope it doesn't sink like the Titanic.
Dessert station.
Call a good drink. I love
Send me
it.
that. I'll send it to her mom.
Everything?
Ready to get me out? The dessert, homemade chocolate macadamia brownies, coconut cake, tiramisu, seasonal fresh tropical fruit platter.
Getting drunk.
Don't say that.
What'd you say? What'd you say?
We're getting drunk.
Out of juice.
And she says it like she's drunk.
What?
We're getting drunk. That's how she said it. We're not going way out there. You know what I mean? Look, we're not going way out there where we can't see we're going and you'll be able to see like these buildings and stuff.
I don't think you're
We're
supposed to
literally
eat
just
it.
going around and then making a circle and coming back. You know what I mean?
Oh wait, we're just going around this building.
We're going, look at the military.
Why would you guys eat on
Some of them may irritate your stomach, but
Show me what you're eating.
or
It's
it is an edible.
Too many drinks. Alex, come here.
Get out.
So there you have it. That was the dinner cruise. I really hope you guys enjoyed. That was the reason why we made the reservation for our Friday, because we knew that there were going to be fireworks. And it was just something cool for the girls to experience the fireworks overall on the boat. I hope you guys enjoy it. Comment down below. I really like to hear all your comments, you know, what you guys like, what you guys didn't like. I really like to interact with you guys. And like I have been doing, I'm gonna go ahead and leave some pictures at the end of this video, and I will see you guys back on day 6. Bye.